Welcome back to the Daily Blessing. If you are facing something that makes you fearful, today's word is your divine command and comfort. Our fearless word for today is courage. The Roman Catholic Bible repeats this message throughout its pages, but nowhere is it clearer than in the book of Joshua, chapter 1, verse 9. This is your powerful reminder. Let's turn to the book of Joshua, chapter 1, verse 9. And it reads like this: Be strong and of good courage. Do not be afraid, nor be dismayed. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. This scripture is a three-part blessing. First, it tells you what to do. Be strong and have courage. Second, it tells you what not to do. Do not be afraid or dismayed. And third, it gives you the reason for all of it. The Lord your God is with you wherever you go. True courage is not the absence of fear, but the presence of faith. It's the conviction that because you are blessed and God is with you, you can proceed despite the fear. This is the source of boundless positive energy, knowing that the most powerful force in the universe walks beside you every single day. In our daily lives, courage is often required for small internal battles, to speak the truth, to start a new project, or to forgive someone who hasn't apologized. Fear is the greatest paralyzer, draining your hope and stopping your blessed progress. Today, identify one small area where fear is holding you back. Claim this scripture and choose courage. Walk into that situation, whether it is a difficult conversation or a new endeavor, with the calm certainty that you are not alone. Your strength is sourced divinely, and you are guaranteed success in taking the right step. Today, be strong and of good courage. Don't let fear rule your choices. Step into the blessing of His presence. That is your blessing for today. Now, let's share the strength. Subscribe to the Daily Blessing and share this message with someone who needs a reminder that they are not walking alone today. God bless you. I'm Kaoru. See you next time.